Welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush the Discover Boss here with another community driving video. So we are leaving the Midway Mall right here on Manor Road, and we're heading up to Kingston Spring Road to end the video on another mall. So you guys stay tuned for that, and you guys definitely enjoy the drive as well. We'll be taking the road right here on the right to head on to Kingston Spring Road. Not many people know this route, so if you have driven this route to Kingston Spring Road, let me know. So let's go. All right, so Manor Road to Kingston Spring Road. On the left is where people would call the gully side or the gully bank. Lots of garbage in the gully as well. People just throw their garbage over there. So we are on. Alright, so this road is a little bit narrow. So we're on Clifton Boulevard. So we came off Manor Road, came onto Clifton Boulevard, and it connects back to Cassava Peace Road. Sorry, Cassava Peace Road, my bad. So it connects back to Cassava Peace Road. So not the widest road, but it brings you onto Kingston Spring Road very quickly. We have Kingston Spring Primary on the right and Junior High School, and then the Kingston Spring Police Station on the left. Alright, and here we are, Kingston Spring Road. So guys, remember to like, comment and share. Trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before June end. You know, your help is definitely needed. So this is the newly renovated 4-lane Kingston Spring Road. So we'll take the left. So Kingston Spring Road now has 4 lanes. It has helped with traffic a lot. While this road is being constructed, I did a lot of videos on it. And then we're gonna go over to Manor Center. So we'll take the left right here. And I'm gonna do a little driving video of Manor Center for you guys. So definitely stay tuned for that. Alright, so this is one of those busy plaza on Kingston Spring Road. Alright, so the Island Vibe Seafood Sports Bar and Grill is a bit new to me. I guess I haven't come up this side for a little while. This was all an empty space. But they have, you know, done a lot with this space, which is really good. So Manor Center, lots of shop here. Killarney Mart is one of their very big tenants. They have a public pharmacy. They have different restaurants, bars, grills, ATM. So lots of shops here. Popeyes and Little Caesar. Let me probably take this direction. So traffic building up. Alright guys, so this is Manor Center for you. I'm not sure when last you visited, or have you ever visited before. You know, have a bowling alley inside, Tutti Frutti Indian restaurant, Jam Zone is the bowling alley. They have a kids ear salon, different restaurant, Uka Lounge. So quite a few shops. So just showing you guys around the plaza real quickly. You guys may not be seeing a whole lot. I have Express Fitness as well. Express Fitness has a lot of locations across Kingston. So once you sign up with them, you have a lot of options. So this is Manor Center on Constant Spring Road. This seems to be a one way now. So this is a drive-through for Popeyes. And again, we have Killarney Mart taking up a lot of space over there. Let's see if I can go on once more for you guys. Alright, so they also have Killarney Mart Jewelers. So it's Killarney Mart Furniture Store and Killarney Mart Jewelers. Alright guys, so let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this plaza. Let me know if you've ever been here, or if you have, when last have you been here. Let me know. We're gonna head on out back to Constant Spring Road. Alright, so we're back onto the newly renovated Constant Spring Road. We know the Constant Spring Market was right here on the left, that is fenced, was totally removed so that the road can be expanded. There's still big enough land area over there that can be used for something. We hear talks that they were going to build a long plaza to fit the length, but who knows. So let's see what they eventually use that space for. So this is the finished Constant Spring Road. So there's like a million videos on my channel covering this road work. You guys can check them out just to see, you know, how it looked in the construction phase. Total renovation and expansion. So just showing you guys around this area before we end the video. So we're coming from Manning Road. Came up on Cassava Peace Road, and we're gonna end the video here in Manor Park. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for liking, thanks for commenting, thanks for sharing, thanks for all you do. Alright guys, so see you on another drive-in video.